Guys, we've got Maisto racetrack on sale. Hindi nga lang kagandahan yung box niya, but it's on sale and it can be useful. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and it has 2 free Maisto cars, diecast vehicles. At yun ang kanyang price. Let's try and assemble this and let's see how it goes. So ito ang laman ng kanyang bag. It's quite intimidating, pero let's just follow the instructions. It also comes with these racing stickers, but I don't think I'm going to put this. And of course, these are the race tracks. And finally, let's take a look at these 2 free diecast metal Maisto cars. And so this racetrack comes with 2 diecast Maisto cars. Sila ipag-race natin later on after nating ma-assemble itong ating racetrack. It looks fancy, but I'm not really a fan of Maisto, and it's diecast. So these cars, yeah, looks decent enough for racing. Okay na rin naman. Yep. Again, it comes with these cool stickers, but I don't think we're going to use this. Baka masira niya lang yung plastic ng ating racetrack. But this instruction manual, yeah, we're definitely going to need this. So ito ang kanyang launcher. Wala siyang push spring mechanism. It only relies on gravity. So wag na natin patagalin, assemble na natin. So let's try how our vehicle fits. Ngayon naman try natin kung mag-fit ang ating mga Hot Wheels sa ating racetrack. Yan, so I'm glad our Hot Wheels can fit perfectly sa ating Maisto racetrack. Oops! And so, sukatin din natin itong big wheels ng Hot Wheels. Yeah, it also works. And yung quality ng plastic nitong Maisto racetrack is, I can say, magandang quality. Actually, we have a classic Maisto cars in our collection. So, i-fit din natin sa ating racetrack. And yep, it also works. So, let's proceed with the assembly already. Parang may mali. Medyo flimsy yung ating loop. But sige, let's keep on trying. So yan, parang hindi maganda yung loop. I think I did something wrong here, but let's proceed and yeah, let's see how it goes. So yan, parang hindi ako masaya dun sa shape ng loop niya. It looks so flimsy, but still let's try if it works, and later on we'll find out kung saan tayo nagkamali. Moment of truth. I think we did something wrong here. Let's figure it out. Try pa natin isa. Palpak talaga, guys. What seemed to be wrong here? Almost. Palpak talaga. Let's figure out what went wrong. And so, sinubukan nating liitan ang ating loop. Let's see if this is going to work. Ayun, success! Perfect! Mali pala yung pagka-assemble natin ng loop. Masyado malaki. Ayos na. It's time for racing. So ngayon naman, try natin tong Maisto Classic diecast car versus this futuristic one. So yung futuristic, lagay natin sa red lane, and then yung classic sa blue lane. Let's see kung sinong mas mananalo. So sa unang round, talo si Classic. Try natin round 2. Lihis. ngayon naman try natin Hot Wheels versus Maisto. So Hot Wheels sa red lane and Maisto sa blue lane. So masakit man sabihin, Maisto wins that round. But this time, dalawang Hot Wheels pag karerahin natin. Parehong muscle car. Lagay natin sa red lane si Big Wheel. Big Wheel wins. Guys, I'm telling you, this is so much fun. And I'm glad nagkaroon ng sale si Maisto ng kanyang racetrack. And it has a decent length on it, in fairness. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching and thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.